Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how you can buy the SHIB org Inu token into your Trust Wallet account easily by using PancakeSwap.finance website. Guys, first of all you have to see where is the contact address of that token. Here you can open the CoinMarketCap website. Here you search the Shiba org Inu token and then copy that contact address. From there you can easily purchase this token on MetaMask also. Guys, here you see price of this token almost is up within a 1 month, but it's now in a down in a dip stage because selling almost on a high rate. Here you see these are the markets where you can buy SHIB org Inu marketplace. Before starting the video, if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest and updates and the new 100x tokens. Guys, here you see I have already uploaded video about the MetaPets. You can watch this video and see when I call you to buy, and now those who buy that token, they are almost in a 10x 20x profit almost. Guys, if you are facing any issue regarding the PancakeSwap finance in the errors or the gas fees issue problems, you can watch my this video, popular video, and you can solve your gas fees issue problems. Guys, for the buying of the SHIB org token, you can open the Trust Wallet account, then open the DApps button here, then click on the PancakeSwap.finance website. When you open the PancakeSwap finance website, this interface will appear. You must select on the top here, you must select here the Binance Smart Chain because this token is on the Binance Smart Chain address. Here guys, on the first option, by swapping you have to select your BNB. When you select the BNB amount, here on the second option you have to select your interested token for you have to buying. Here I will paste the contact address of that token which I want to buy there. Here it's not appearing there, so I go and refresh my page again and copy that address from my CoinMarketCap website. Here is a contact address. Here I will copy that address, then paste it here. Let's see, it's not appearing again and again. Here SHIB org token will appear. Here click on the import button, then click on the I understand, then click on the import. Here my Shiba org will appears. Here you have to select your BNB amount. Here the insufficient liquidity for this trade. Okay, will fix this issue first, then I will guide you how you can do that. You see here, so with the 0.001 BNB I will purchase 12 million BNB SHIB org tokens. I click on the swap button. Here my transactions appears here. Here this cannot be succeed due to error. I will guide you. Here you see, go to my channel and watch my popular video. From there, how to fix your gas fees issue. You can easily fix your this issue PancakeSwap. So I will fix in front of you now also. So when you click on the confirm swap, you see I have used small tricks here. So the network fees of this token is $1.28 and the maximum total will be spending here $1.34 here. So guys, it's almost nothing. If you buy this token on the start, you will be getting a profit after some days. So I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny on any coin. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research. Thank you guys.